at Sprouts. Doing some grocery shopping. Jern has to get some ingredients for her salsa recipe. She's making homemade salsa from scratch. Alright guys, in addition to getting our recipe ingredients for salsa, we're also going to pick up our free items that we got with the Sprouts app. When you sign up for Sprouts app, you get like emails regularly for free items. You just tap it in your app, and then next shopping trip you scan your app and those items are free. Let's see what our total is. I'm getting organic tomatoes and they're looking good today. It's currently May and these tomatoes look like they're so in season. Look at these beauties. They're so perfect. So dark and juicy. I can't wait to make salsa out of these. These are going to be delicious. Since I'm tall, I use my height to my advantage when shopping for groceries. I always get the ones from the very back that nobody else can touch. Also, they tend to be in the best condition. And you don't have to worry about like all these nasty people putting their dirty hands on it. When I'm getting something off of a shelf, I always go for the top shelf. That's where the best stuff is. Wow, these tomatoes are looking so good. The trick to picking the best onion is getting the biggest, juiciest, most beautiful looking one there is. And this is how to make homemade salsa. I got tomatoes and onions. Now, we're just going to get our last ingredient, cilantro. I just picked out a nice bunch of cilantro. Currently 3 for $1. This is 33 cents. Here we have it. We have 3 mini peppers, free coconut water. For all of that, we just paid $8 for onion, tomato. Those are organic tomatoes, and peppers, and cilantro. Only $8, you guys. I hope this helps. If you liked it, then don't forget to like and comment. Here we are with all the ingredients for the homemade salsa, high quality, best tasting salsa recipe that I love. I hope you guys like it too. It's a half bunch of cilantro and these ingredients, about a half red onion and a few cloves of garlic. That might be too much for you guys if you're not used to eating garlic all the time. I have the cilantro and tomato in here. I have the chili powder, the salt, and I'm gonna add a little bit of fresh squeezed lime juice. I'm using all the best quality ingredients from Sprouts, Trader Joe's, COSTCO. Go ahead and blend it in the food processor. This is my favorite food processor. Now that that's done, I'm going to add some ingredients. Didn't have room for the garlic. Just put some of those in there. Onions in there. It looks like it's not much, but it's about a pint. Before I take it out of the processor, I definitely want to try to make sure it's good. I'm going to add some more salt. A few more ingredients. I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of the garlic. The homemade salsa is complete. It's really good. It's very flavorful and tasty. It smells so fresh. And I also have here some salad and enchiladas. I'm going to have it with the organic tortilla chips from COSTCO.